Hello students, how are you? Am I visible? Are you watching me? Yes. But did you think how is it possible that I am visible for you? How can we see the objects? How can we see the object of the world? This colorful world. This is one thing that help us to see the colorful world, this beautiful world, all the objects, all the things, our parents, all the men, women, animal, plants, mountains, so many things. What is that? A single thing, that name is light. Light shows us a beautiful world. We can see the whole world with help of light. Light is necessary for watching everything. If light is not available, we cannot see the object. Suppose that if we enter in a dark room, can we think object? Suppose there are many things in the room, but we cannot see. But why not? This is only one reason that we cannot see the object, because light is not there. If we glow the bulb, if we switch on the bulb, and we can see the whole objects in the room clearly. So light helps us to see the world. That is a basic concept. But one thing that I would like to tell you extra. What is that? Suppose there is light is on, that means switch is on and bulb is glowing, but we cannot see, any person cannot see the world, anything. But why? This is due to the lack of light inside the eye. So light must be outside the world and inside the eye. Light must be in our eyes. So light must be available for whole the world, inside the eye and outside the world, so we can see the object. So if we see any object, that means light falls on it, and that means light reflect and we can see the object. That means we can see the object by a process of reflection. We see the object by a reflecting light. That means bouncing back of light. That means this phenomena you can easily understand that. That means suppose this is object and a light ray falls on it. This is known as incident ray. Incident ray. And after bouncing back from the surface of the object, that is bouncing back, and this ray is named as reflected ray. And if we draw a perpendicular or normal on that, that means this line, this imaginary line known as normal. Normal is perpendicular to the surface. This is a surface, reflecting surface, and this normal is just perpendicular to the reflecting surface. And angle, we can see that means angle made between a incident ray and normal, that is angle of incidence. Angle of incidence. And angle between normal and reflected ray is angle of reflection. Angle of reflection. That means we can see the object by a process of reflection in which we can see that means angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. This is also known as I and this is also known as R. So we can say that I is equal to R. There are two rules for reflection of light. First, that means you can say angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection, and second one is the incident ray, reflected ray, and normal, or you can say reflecting surface also, lie on same plane. Okay, thank you very much.